welcome to TeluguOnefood Kitchen Stories with Soumya. Today we are at Brewtiful Coffee with the lovely owner Sana. Sana, thank you for being on our show. So what are you going to show me and our viewers today?
Thank you so much for having us with you in your show. Today we're going to make a chicken salad bowl. Very simple, very healthy.
Okay.
And I will take you through the process.
Awesome. This sounds yummy. So చూసారు కదా chicken salad. ఇది మీరు ఇంట్లో కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు because the ingredients exotic una they seem very simple and I'm sure the procedure is also simple. So let's get to it. So first, what is the first ingredient you need?
We're going to take onion. Please.
Onion?
Yes.
Okay.
So for the cutting, you can choose any way of cutting you wish. If you're gonna make it at home,
Okay.
we like to do this slicing for the onion. So if you can see, it's like this.
Right.
Okay, so we're gonna put it here. And after the onion, we can go ahead and add the second ingredient.
Very simple chopping.
Yes. The texture and the presentation later will help. It's
Okay.
not like we don't need very fine onion.
Right.
Can
Next.
we have lettuce, please?
Okay. Can we use any lettuce or?
Yes,
Okay.
you can. Absolutely.
So మీరు చూసారు కదండి, you don't really need very fine chopping is not required here.
No.
You can just do basic chopping and I think it's very crunchy, very fresh. So see, this will help you get that crunch feel. Nice.
So, as I said, big slices
Yes.
will be better and
Yes.
it looks better.
Next.
Let's have cucumber, please.
Okay.
So we prefer to choose our English cucumber, fresher
Okay.
and better for salad, not
Okay.
like the usual cucumber.
Not the Indian
No,
one, right?
we prefer not.
Okay.
So we're gonna cut it by 2
Okay.
and then chop. So we're gonna have half like this.
So you get nice chunky pieces.
Absolutely.
Lovely. Cucumber also adds a hint of freshness, cool feel to the salad.
It's low in calories. It's
Right.
very healthy. It's hydrating. It has a lot of water in it.
Right.
And it's very good for health. And it gives extra volume. You feel full,
Right.
but happy.
Yes.
So there is our cucumber. This is how we're going to keep
Lovely.
it. We're going to add it to our mixing bowl.
Right.
Here we can go for a tomato now.
This one, a regular
Yes.
tomato?
No, we are using again the tomatoes, the Bangalore tomatoes.
Okay.
Because these ones are better for salad.
Okay, these are quite hard. You can
Yes.
see not very extremely juicy.
Yes.
Got it.
We don't want to use the regular tomato that is
Used in the regular Indian cooking watery.
Yes. For tomato sauce and all, it's
Okay.
not the case.
Okay.
We need it for salad. So again, we cut it by 2 and then we slice it this way, same like cucumber.
Okay.
We will have these kind of slices
Yes.
and we add them to our bowl.
చూస్తున్నారు కదండి, లైక్ యూ కెన్ సీ దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ వెరీ వాటరీ. మనం ఏమంటాం, ఇలాగా మనం టొమాటో పప్పు వాటిల్లో వాడే టైప్ కాదు ఇది.
Totally.
ఇట్స్ వెరీ నైస్ అండ్ రా అండ్ స్టర్డీ.
Again,
Lovely.
tomato is very healthy. It's
Right.
very good for health.
Yes.
It helps our blood circulation.
Yes.
And it's really good. We can add to our salad as well some, if you see here, jalapenos.
Yes.
You can add them as it is or chop them by 2.
Okay.
Okay. And add them to the mixing bowl.
This is just for a slight hint of spice.
Yes. So basically for the local taste,
Yes.
we need that little
Bit of spice. Yes.
And it gives a nice taste as well for the salad.
So these olives I can see are already cut, right?
Yes,
You're
we
going
can
to cut
just-
them again? Or
No, you can keep them again as it is
Okay.
or cut it by 2.
just a little. Okay, got
or
it.
by 2 and just add them to your cutting
Okay.
bowl. The most important ingredient for a salad for us is the vinaigrette. How to make your own vinaigrette.
Oh wow.
So I'm gonna show you how to mix our vinaigrette.
Okay.
To mix our veggies.
Okay.
Of course, before that we will add the cherry tomatoes.
Okay, fine. Oh, these look so cute. Chusara. How many do you need?
So again, for tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, we can See, it's a small and nice. You
Right.
can add it as it is or cut
Okay.
it by 2. It's how you wish to have it.
Okay, let's cut it. They look too adorable to be cut for me, but still.
So we're gonna cut them 1 by 2.
So the regular tomatoes and cherry tomatoes, both of them have different flavor
Of
and
course,
taste.
of course, of course. So as you see, we can have it like this.
Yes.
Add them here,
Yes.
or we can just remove this and put it.
And just
As it
add it
is.
as a whole.
Yes.
Right.
And that's the texture of your salad would be really very nice.
Okay.
Now I would like to ask my person to give me an empty glass to show you how to mix the vinaigrette.
Yeah, vinaigrette is a dressing. Manaki adi konni jagalo you get it even ready made, but there's nothing like making it fresh and simple at home. It's a very simple process, but of course the right ingredients and the right measure is important. So we'll see how that is also done. And vinaigrette salads lone kadandi chala marinations annitlo kuda you can use it and it will come very handy. So let us see.
Thank you, Imran. So I'm gonna give you a transparent glass like this to show you how we add the ingredients.
Okay.
Obviously, everybody wants salt and pepper,
Right.
so we can add salt and pepper. You can maybe help me with that.
Okay.
A little more.
Okay.
Okay. Some pepper. And we have
That's
olive oil. We use
Okay.
extra virgin olive oil.
Oh,
There,
lovely.
you can put some,
Extra virgin olive oil. A little?
a little.
Enough?
Enough, thank you.
Okay.
Now we will need a squeeze of lemon. If you
Okay.
may give me 1 lemon. We're gonna have a lemon juice.
Mm-hmm.
If you find the yellow big lemon, it
Yes.
would be great.
Yeah.
Otherwise, this is
Quite rare
perfect.
to
It's
find.
quite rare. You can squeeze. I'll make you work today.
Yes.
Samya.
I love to do all this, so it's okay.
Squeeze it all. Maybe one more. That's very less.
Oh, okay. But what
So
too
our
much-
salad is more of Mediterranean kind of salad.
Right.
We need that Mediterranean
that
touch.
pungent,
Yes.
tangy taste
Yes.
needs to be there.
Yes.
All right. Yes.
And our secret ingredient,
Mm-hmm.
should I say it or no?
Please, for me, you can.
We're gonna add a small teaspoon of pesto sauce.
Ah,
That's what gives a very, very unique taste to our
that's nice.
vinaigrette.
How much this
You
much?
can add one more. Voila! Now we can just mix the whole thing together very well
Lovely.
until it becomes a very good
Uh-huh.
texture. It goes all together inside each other and it becomes very nice. You see how it is?
Yes.
You can see.
చూసారు కదండి ద టెక్స్చర్ ఇలా వస్తుంది somewhat. It's looking lovely and it's mixed also really well. Now let us see how the mixing of this with the vegetables that we have already chopped goes.
And you can feel the smell of
Yes.
the lemon juice, the pesto, the olive oil.
Like I keep saying,
it's
whenever
very
I
fresh and
smell
nice.
these, the aromas are so fresh. I wish you were all here to smell this. Adi.
All right, now
So
all
we
what
just
we
have
have
to mix
do,
this?
yes,
All right.
yes. But I'm sure you are asking yourself there are couple
Yes,
of other ingredients
yes.
when we're going to
Yes,
use
when
them.
are we going to
We will
use-
not use them now.
Okay.
Of course, if you are using your salad with chicken, you can add your chicken now if you
Okay.
want it to be with flavors of the vinaigrette.
Okay, so
Let's
the chicken
do this.
is already boiled and cut.
It's grilled and cut. We use
Grilled.
grilled chicken.
You use grilled. Okay.
Yes.
And is this already seasoned with some salt?
Yes, salt
All
and
right.
pepper and some secret seasoning.
Okay. Okay, fine. Any secrets they won't reveal to us, but మీరు చూసారు కదండి, this is how the
Chicken
chicken
cubes.
is cubes, small pieces లో they're cut. ఇవి కూడా we are going to add into the vegetables that have already been chopped.
Well, I suggest we will add half of it.
Half of it
Half
now?
of it.
Okay.
I will tell you why later on.
Acha. All right.
Okay.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Half
That's
add
that.
chesan now. Let us see. We've kept the other half, but let's see what's in store for us.
Okay, let's add our vinaigrette.
Okay. Fine.
We can put it here.
Yeah. You can just hold it like this.
Mm-hmm.
So, ఈ vinaigrette
Mix
add
again.
చేస్తున్నానండి. I'll add the whole thing.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Beautiful.
It looks lovely.
Now we need to have that taste in every single bite of every single piece of
Right.
vegetables we
It needs
added.
to be coated well.
So we need to put our hands on and mix properly and massage it properly, mix all together. As
Okay.
you see, it became colorful. So many interesting colors in this.
So it exactly manam how we marinate our meat or vegetables before we cook or grill, exact ga alage coat cheyali.
Perfect.
The smell, the aroma, mwah, it's too good.
All right.
Okay, now what do we add?
We have our, no, not now. We have, so basically for us, the presentation plays a very good role.
Right.
So what we're gonna do, we add this mix in our serving bowl.
Okay.
And then we will add the other ingredients to decorate and
All
present
right.
it well.
Got
All right?
it.
So,
let us do the plating now.
of course, so we have our mixture all mixed well with the vinaigrette.
Right.
We're gonna put it in our serving bowl.
Okay.
Nicely, we try to keep
Wow.
all the colors out. You see the glow and the
Yes.
shine of the oil with lemon and seasoning. So you see basically all
Right.
the vegetables, we put them in a
Right.
very pretty way. Okay. Now we have how many ingredients left? You remember that little bit of chicken we left?
Yes.
We're gonna put it on top to decorate.
Okay.
You can help me out. You remember we mixed some chicken with the vinaigrette
Right.
with the veggies, and now
Right.
we're gonna put some on the topping
Okay.
to understand it's a chicken
Right.
salad bowl.
Uh-huh.
Now we have one more ingredient, very important, which is the feta cheese.
Okay.
The same way we're gonna add a little on top. Perfect, beautiful. Beautiful salad and beautiful.
Yes, of course. As
By beautiful women.
Yes, of course.
Amazing.
That's it. What are we supposed to do with
These
the sesame
are
seeds?
sesame seeds. We actually add a little on top as well for
So
decoration.
the mix of what white
and black sesame seeds we
Okay.
can add. Perfect, enough.
Okay.
Chalu. And here you go, a beautiful chicken salad bowl from Brewtiful.
చూసారు కదండి how lovely it's looking. I can't wait to dig into this. Sana, let's eat this.
Let's
and
eat.
I'll give
Come
you
on.
my feedback.
Come on,
Come
let's
on.
try it.
So Sana, you have been here for quite some time.
Yes.
What prompted you to start Brewtiful? Or more than that, let us first start with why the name Brewtiful.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
So Brewtiful is for brewing coffee, obviously, and for beautiful art. We support a lot of art in here,
Right.
and we appreciate and support women entrepreneurs as well.
Okay.
And behind Brewtiful, there is a big team. I am only the co-founder of the brand.
Uh-huh.
I have my partner along. He will come later.
Okay.
Yeah. So please, bon appetit first, and let me know how does it taste. It looks so colorful and yummy, and it's my everyday lunch.
I know it's your everyday lunch, but I must say, like, I've added most of the ingredients today, so I don't know how it went. Chodam. I can't tell you. This is a burst of so many different flavors
Yes.
in my mouth. This is very crunchy, very chewy, like you said, and there's so much of vegetables I can
Yes.
feel along with my chicken. This is loaded with protein, fiber. It's yummy.
Enjoy, bon appetit, and I hope you will be able to make it at home as well sometimes.
I'm sure, and I'm sure our viewers also would be. Yes, so let's get back. So the name Brewtiful is because, of course, it's art, it's beauty, and it's so nice that you're supporting so many women entrepreneurs over here. So here you also do a lot of food pop-ups and all that, right?
Yes, yes. Food pop-up. Yes. So we do sometimes have new special in the menu, which is out of the menu, but it's like something special for that period of time. For example, now, as you know, November, December, it's the season of Christmas, the season of, some certain kind of spices and flavors and all. So we are starting the apple pie. with cinnamon touch, and
Wow.
we're gonna have some very special desserts for this period of time.
I hope I can come and taste them all
Please.
over again. This is so good. Ah, what is this?
So I wanted to introduce you to this beautiful butterfly tea, blue
Butterfly tea?
tea. Yes.
Oh, I've been hearing so much about this. Oh,
This
why
is
are the
a
glasses
very
warm?
magic. So basically, before serving to any client, we wash the glasses with hot water, wipe them, and serve them to avoid any kind of issues.
Okay.
Now, of course, now I'm going to show you this blue butterfly tea. You can see how the color is, and
It's blue.
it goes very well with the salad for a healthy option drink.
Ah, got it. So it
You know?
pairs well with this salad,
Yes, yes,
right?
and it's a detox and all. Now, if
What's
you
that?
see, this is the magic potion.
Okay.
This is again lemon juice. We use so much lemon juice in our ingredients because it's again a healthy option. Now see the magic. What
Wow.
just happened?
The color changed to pink.
Yes. Would you like to have some honey with that, or you would like to
No,
try it
I
as
would
it
like
is?
to try it as it is, but
Please.
it's turned pink. My
Yes.
favorite color. It's also twinning with what you're doing.
Thank you. Cheers. Try and let me know.
Okay. It's so different, and I think the lemon is adding a very zesty flavor.
Yes.
But this is something unique.
Yes.
If you have to try something unique, Hyderabad, you need to come to Brewtiful. So is this available in all your branches?
Yes, blue butterfly tea is available in all the branches of Brewtiful and Hyderabad. You can always try it.
Why did you never give me this before?
Because you have your own favorite
Yes,
drinks.
yes,
You
yes.
always come for one single drink.
Yes,
but you should be open to try other things in the menu.
Now I know, now I know.
Yeah.
Okay, so this goes well paired with this salad. This is a combination you all have to try.